Hey everyone, today I'm going to be telling you how you can find working coupons on Walmart app. So make sure you watch till the very end because I'm going to be showing you 10 websites that provide best coupons for Walmart and you never know which coupon works for you. First up, we have Honey. Now Honey is the best coupon website for anything that you want. Just head over to Honey and then you can see they have this bunch of this. Next up, we have actually an app called Coupons for Walmart in Google Play. As you can see, they have this bunch of coupons that you can try it from. Next up, Nerd Wallet provides a lot of the coupons for uh, Walmart. You can check them out. After that, we have Groupon, and this is actually quite a popular one. You can see that they have 10% off, up to 60% off toys, home goods, all these stuffs. So check which one is the best for you. And then we have coupons.com. So right now it says that it's available only in the US. I'm not from US, so this website isn't loading for me, but you know where to go. Then we have Wired. You can see they have these so many lists that you can easily choose from. Then we have time.com. You can see I can scroll down till infinity. And the best thing is you can see the expiring date, so you know when you should act immediately. Then we have Retail Dive. As you can see that if I scroll down, they will show us like a bunch of these coupons. Just head over it. And then we have LA Times, who have a bunch of these coupons. Last but not the least, we have Retail Me Not. As you can see, you can choose whichever one you want, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.